so many of them. Where are these buddies? Where are you guys coming from, actually? Like, these birds are everywhere, I swear to God. There goes one buddy fine. Oh, there they go, guys. They're going away. Like, they've been hiding on houses all day. They've been hiding on houses most of the time, you guys. All these birds right here, they hide mostly everywhere. Oh, he just ate something right there. Alright. Yeah, I'm filming you guys. You guys need to be filmed. Don't. Yeah, there's like, I see these when I ride my bike most of the time. I see these birds everywhere. They hide on houses most of the time. Like, what do these birds actually want from people? I think they're looking for food. I would have dropped some food out there if I wanted to for them, but I don't know if I can. I got some hot Cheetos, but I don't know if they can eat that. And they can munch on that